Chiggle, chiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Let's go to morning walk. The only way my wife could get me to walk was with this. Tanduay. I will put Tanduay in your tumbler and then let's go. It's already 6 a.m. Bahala ka diyan, 6 a.m. Where's my shoes?
Huh? Mini shoes?
Whew! Grabe. Which one I will take? They are all with bottom? No, I will take blue. Where's my blue? This is blue. Look at. You're already there, Penny.
Huh?
Huh? Huh? I don't know if my camera is facing okay or no. I don't know.
You don't know? You don't.
I don't know.
Wait.
This is also black. This is blue. I will wear blue because everything else is red. Let's go. Ooh, I think it was raining. Okay.
May puno, oh. I think it will rain also. I think. Kayo takawa.
Yeah, it's very cloudy. Oh, upot ka?
Going there in its rain.
Where?
In its rain.
Why?
Asa di ka mo to?
Buddy! Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Parente, ano ka? Na-admit ako.
Admit sa
Hospital BP ko. Ay! May maintenance ka?
Yun. Oo,
Gitagaan na ka maintenance.
pero nag-normal man agad siguro stress siguro kayo sa Pulaw diri tapos aga pa ako magising gabi na ako matulog. Pero pagka ano nag-normal man siya agad, stress na talaga ako pagod tapos sa work pa.
tapat Tanduay. Walay taas na pipi. Relax lang. Naka-walking lang kami. Gusto siya sige, let's go walking.
Pero
Oh.
may baon.
May baon.
May maintenance ka na, ano maintenance mo ang lubutin? Lusatan.
Pero di nag-normal naman ang BP ko.
Sige, untatan mo?
Can you fix my collar?
Napilitan yan. Sige, higa. Bye-bye.
Uy, psst, uwi na.
Ito, dira lang muna siya. Going to the left. Ay, to the right.
Which one then?
Right.
Left or right?
Right. Bye na. Uwi ka na na.
Huh?
Because I have my walking shoes here.
Okay.
Good morning.
Can we buy some pet?
I don't have fat.
You don't have money?
Why
So,
you need to eat fat?
just to maintenance my body.
You want to die immediately?
No. Why?
That's why.
Why I need to die?
Because you will eat fat.
No.
Nami ang climate, wala init, wala ulan. Tama-tama lang.
Oh, eksakto.
Kaya ba lang kung anong nag-close ang ang
An
Brenda?
no.
5,000 ang renta?
5,000 rent tere. Sus Mario.
Ang di pa rent sa Taguya, kanang pwesto nga na.
Sus, oh, ana?
Hanggang sa may bed, may kama.
Bed?
May kama.
Not, that's not bed.
Oh, hatre.
Oh, they are changing plants.
Yes. Okra na.
Okra?
Oo. This one okra, that
Ew.
one. That one there is, I think, upo. Ay,
Ew, okra.
patula?
Who wants to plant okra?
Sila, oh.
Ipike. Huh?
Going to the right. Ayaw ko itula kay basta ang nakaputi ako ang tiil.
Tail mo puti. Murak po ranger ba?
Ako ang sapatos puti.
Tuh. Pasing, exercise. Wala ka baon?
I think patola.
Community garden.
Pero small man, hindi yata patola.
Ang palaya siguro.
Oo, mahaganda yung
Oh, mayara sa steering wheel.
hindi ang palaya. Natong humot patola yata. Di ba may upo? Dito ang gawin nila ang bulak, guwapo itong bulak.
I think I don't know when they are open or when there is person here. Or I should come here and make a video that what's the purpose of this. Not right now because we are walking.
I like this flower, oh. Pero wala man siya kasi. Hinay lang! Oh, yayaw balik. Diretso. Diretso.
What?
Oh, mabalik
I was thinking we have to go from here.
Gamay-gamay pa lang na-walk mo.
I'm not counting my steps. I already know I have one step ahead.
4 kilometers dapat atong i-walk. You know that?
Bahala ka diya, oy. Mayra ka coin, sakay lang ko.
2 kilometers lang on eh. Ang
Where?
Ang dito halin.
Wait, where are we going?
Ganyan.
No! No. Yeah, we go that way. No,
Parehas lang kalayo eh.
no. That's very far from home. This one is going closer to home.
Dili oy, parehas lang 2 kilometers.
Ay, nako.
Magkuha si nanay buko oh. Buko siya.
Tapos, ikaw?
Buka.
Okay.
Good morning, madam. May unod man ah.
Yara na.
Gamay-gamay.
Ano yung laki ate?
Ay, talaga?
Gagmay yan.
Ay, oh, kita mo, hindi do kwan round.
Gani nga. Pero the tamis guro ni no.
Tamis. Ang katong pulang tamis. Ang tanda urong sa.
Katong dito sa anhan oh. Pero di mo ibunga sa isa ka barugubay no?
Gani.
Amo lang nga, gagmay lang. Namit lang juice na. Diretso kami.
Balik lang kami. Prepare na lang.
Damo maya oh.
Huh?
Bird.
What kind of coconut is that?
Native.
Native? That's why very small?
Oo. Ganyan yung sa ano. Sa Oman. Tong niya
But it's very nice, no? It's more crafted pa, no? Crafted coconut.
Yes, very low.
Because very low, you can harvest. You imagine if we have crafted coconut in Lang, how much
Wala
tuba?
Wala bilhin ka mo. Damo man kwa.
How much tupa? Oh, this one is
Ala, this one is ano daw matamis.
ripe na?
Oo, pwede na oh. Gulang na gani oh. Old na.
Old na?
Because small lang siya.
Ah.
Ganyan ang sa Oman na mga ano, coconut.
So that's why the coconut is very small because the tree is also very small. I think.
No, ang lahi niya. Ang race niya. Hindi hybrid.
Okay. Pero dito, wala kaya pong coconut.
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Very small bamboo.
Native kaya po.
Oo, native. Doon ka galit kay Tudlo kasi mo.
I think that guy is late to work.
Ha?
I think he will be late.
Hindi mo siya gadali. Not like you, burhok.
Me, I'm also driving very slow.
Dili ka kay Tudlo sa imo. Ana ka?
I don't know what to do with you. I feel that my feet is already surrendering.
Dapat mag-walking gani.
Oh, si Posing, maraming energy. Ako, wala.
May baboy man ka. Dapat mag-walking gani ka. Kay honey man dahil.
Oh, hani gani.
Kay honey. Going to the left. Right.
I think they are the owners. Owners of honeybee.
Ah, dili.
Ah. Can you smell that dead cat? There is a dead cat.
Yeah.
Whew. Whew. Means to say,
Going here.
your
pala.
canal is coming here.
Dapat going there. Farm.
Why?
Vitamins.
Fertilizer?
Many ano. Maya bull. Do not sleep. You're working.
Ha?
Ayaw tulog. Nag-walk ka.
Ha?
Patay mo.
Oh, maraming tandoy dito. At least alam mo, qualified ang kwan, ang labor.
Atlok ko may sikil bang gaan to.
Gani.
Mayuping lang.
Pero okay lang, may body shop dito. Kita mo ang video diretso sa kwan, sa napangga ang kwan, dalawang sakyanan. Tapos isa diretso sa kwan, sa workshop.
Ha?
Oh,
Ano nakita?
oh. Lose control tapos diretso sa sulod sa gate sa kwan, workshop.
Ano oh, nag-drive?
What?
Ano man nag-drive?
Ay, yes, that's the place where I asked last time.
Yung cuts mo. Yung cuts mo.
It's not allowed. What are you,
It's not
criminal?
allowed.
Let's drink.
It's not allowed to cut. Yung Bluetooth ko. Mas lapit gani diri kay sabi ko sa kita. Hinay lang.
What's your problem?
Slowly lang. Hindi mag-jogging. Slowly lang.
Bagal na tandoy.
Mas lang.
Who said?
Under impressed ako. Tapos nakabitan sa likod bouncer.
I'm happy that you are happy.
Ah, ha, ha, ha. Diretso ba? Going to the left. Come here. Come here.
I was thinking we are going to checkpoint. Can
Gusto
you
mo sa checkpoint?
Can you scratch my itlog?
Buwang. May checkpoint ka. Gusto mo? Alas layo to.
No.
No, no, no.
I think this house is meant to be like a boarding house.
Yeah, maybe. Because look, oh, no? I think three.
It's cuarto, 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 cuarto.
Three.
Unless it's all CR.
I think ako. Miss kita yung 3,000.
Pero very small eh.
3,000 yung mga ano.
I saw in Marbel, pet space lang ha, pet space. Apat ka tao sa kwarto, pero isa ka pet space, 2,000.
Ah, grabe.
2,000, okay, libre ang tubig, kuryente. Pero, hindi pwede na kani appliances. 2,000. We are paying for the full house, 3,000 sometimes.
Mahal. Look at that.
No. Honey, that's illegal.
Mahal sila kaya no. City na kunuhay.
No, it's in front of the school.
Ah,
In front of that, if you go in Morales, it's it's Roscoe. And then what is that school?
Itong sa mga seaman.
Uh,
I think seaman.
Seaman, I think there is also like, yeah, maybe, yeah, Seaman.
School.
Yeah, something like that. College. Beep, beep. I'm not that big. Why they are saying like that? Maybe a little bit, but not too much. But everyone in the office is saying that I'm losing weight. Maybe they just want me to feel good.
Maybe. Maybe.
You know where this road is taking us?
Yeah.
If we walk slower, then there is tuba.
Dito sa unahan.
Oh,
Hindi pa, oy. Dito pa.
no, here and there.
There and there.
No, this one has, and this one has.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Wala pa delivery ka. Very early pa.
Ano delivery?
Saan ka ba?
Yeah, 11 o'clock. But we can wait, no problem.
Ano oras pa lang? 5:59.
6 o'clock. Bahala ka diya. Ay.
5:59.
Shot. Buwang man si Mrs. ko. Gusto siya sige, let's walk. Basta na itanto ay, pwede na.
Huh?
Wak.
Yesterday, ang mga young people na dari sa ay, the other day pa.
Okay.
Tarawa, wala nilagi ko.
Yesterday you did not even walk.
Yeah. Tarawa, wala nilagi ko ilang basura.
So you are like neighborhood marites, you know everything what's going on.
Yes, because I'm always updated.
Yeah, because you always walk. But you know, it would be nice to have a house, you know, overlooking house, and then here you have some kind of negosyo, whatever. No, not even think. Oh, maybe yeah. That if that house would be supermarket, like a mall. No, like the one that we have in Brook 9. You know, the big one where you can go inside and buy. Not that you just ayo at kwan puslot.
Ay, oh, wala nilagi pa ng basura. Madali ba ang kabataang eleksyon? On December or postpone?
Postponed.
Again?
Postponed on SK.
Postpone again?
Yes. Because Marcos said that Comelec cannot handle it.
So it will be on May na, 2026.
Who knows?
Who knows? Wala na.
Postponed on the election. There is so many election. You elect only one time. Only one time. Because anyway, because that SK and everything else is 3 years, no? Not 4 years. So it means that all the people that are working with those officials will be also relieved from duty.
Yeah. Like that, oh. Pepsi, no. Garlic chicken. Dapat gibutangan nila cellphone number. Wala sa cellphone number.
Ganun, no? Tapos mayroon catering services, ha?
Right now. We
Yep.
accept catering. We deliver door to door. Pero unsang cellphone number?
You can search from Facebook.
Maybe.
Where is your phone? You search.
I don't have data.
You know what? I think
I don't
when I go to work, I don't have also data. So I really have to work. But I don't have work.
Pindot-pindot lang. Scattered on the basura.
Dogs.
Ano ka? Uwak?
Wakwak?
Uwak. Ano ka? Uwak? Ba?
Pusok, hindi uwak. Pusok.
Ikaw, busog. Ako. Ako sleepy.
Then why you want to walk, not sleep?
Because I want to have an exercise.
I want to have also balcony like that. One day.
One day.
One day if more people will follow me in Facebook and
One
many more will subscribe on YouTube,
One day.
then
One day.
I can have balcony, but I think I cannot afford the house.
One day.
Only balcony.
No. It's good to have house tree.
What?
House tree.
Tree house.
Oh.
House tree.
Parehas lang na.
Hindi
Same,
ah,
same.
baliktad na. House tree.
Oh, look ang ilahang coconut different.
Oh, also very small.
Not too
This is also grafted. What is this, pomelo?
Yes.
Nice.
Dito ila ati ila supervisor, manager. Supervisor, manager.
What is here, NFA?
Yeah. Ano?
National Food Authority?
Yeah. Yung na?
Badminton?
Badminton.
Or tennis?
Tennis.
We go badminton.
Tennis.
I did not know that Philippine people play tennis. I thought only badminton.
Tennis na po.
Why they need this?
Yep.
Put 2 more warehouses here.
Huh?
Why you need tennis field? You put warehouse.
Naman lang sila dito. Big building.
Kamote.
Kaway ka na?
Oy.
Han, wild pepino. I saw in YouTube they eat that one.
You harvest. There is one. Red. There.
Ano gani yung green, no? Do you eat that one I saw?
This one? You think it's okay to take?
I don't know.
But if it's ripe, it's red or no?
Red. Dapat green ang kaon mo eh. Ano?
Somebody is walking that wire. It's tung tung tung.
No, that's the bird.
So I will get red or green,
Green. This one, oh, here, no?
and then I will fall inside.
Ay, nako. Ara oh.
Ara oh, pero oh, ara ka.
Wala gani diri. Anong lumpag?
Gani. Ano dire?
Ato. Ara green oh. Ara sa kamot ko ka. You will try to eat? Ato duwa?
Maybe it's poisonous. No, that's very small. Maybe it's poisonous pa.
Hindi ah.
And how you eat that? Just bite?
Hugasan mo na eh. Pipino ka ni.
Wait.
Abnormal.
Oh, you wear the hat. Ay, very big. Native pipino daw.
Wild.
Ay, wild. Sabi nga native.
That's for bird.
Ay, yara, amoy.
Anong amoy niya? Langto?
I don't know.
Be, pamoy be?
Ano to amoy?
I don't know.
Later, I will eat it, ha?
May hugas-hugas. Oh, pipino? Lasa?
Oh! Haktua!
What is the taste?
Sometimes I have a feeling that Emilio wants me to be died.
What is the taste?
Oh, you cannot describe.
You drink water.
Okay, I will drink my water.
You drink
The
water.
taste is... No.
Because it's ripe.
No, it has some kind of taste of one fruit. But I cannot right now think about what fruit.
Maybe that, I forgot the fruit. Passion fruit.
It's almost like pomelo, the red pomelo, very, bite, like that. And it automatically wants you to puke. We don't buy palay from traders. Okay, so I will not go.
Because they want to buy from the
Farmers. I think this one is full of palay. I think that's full of palay. No, so we need a truck. Whenever Nana is harvesting, we will bring here.
Okay. Why? There is also an FA in lang. Why you need to put here?
Just for fun. For content.
Katol?
Kato lang itlog ko, oy. No, that guy is looking and laughing. I did not even see that there is somebody in the tricycle. Buddy, shot buddy.
GNT.
Ah, there they are.
Yeah, because wala na sila dito.
Na, walk-in na.
Wala sila dito sa dito.
Wala ko parcel.
Did you order?
I don't have money kan eh. I can order. I have 300 pesos in Shopee.
No need.
I put in request for free samples for that foam. Ha? Pangit oy.
Bakit?
Pangit kayo. Dog, that's not a dog. Our cats are bigger than this dog. Oh, go na, go. Pangit kayo.
Asa ka mo adto?
Uwi na siya.
Dito may sagikan sa piyak balay. Hinay lang. I'm not in hurry. Just walk slowly para ang imong cholesterol.
What cholesterol? I don't have cholesterol.
Para imo tambok. Nag-ibok-ibok. Tambok.
Nice
ibok,
small
ibok.
garden. The soil here looks very nice. But lack of cleaning. And very old na ang kwan talong.
Tatay lang man dili ang gawan. Sigulang man ang nag-garden. Hari iya man. You know this is patani.
How I know if you don't tell me.
Patani.
And then what you will do with that? Oh, it's that purple flower that will go big.
Mm.
And then you will put in the water and you drink.
No! It's
Oh, that's-
gulay!
Peas.
Oh.
Pea.
Yeah.
Pea or tunot pea?
Ano lang na?
Ay, dire ka mo po yo.
Ka? On the plane? String beans.
Another boarding house.
Oh, diba? 5,000 na diri siguro.
4 to 5, yeah?
How many doors? Available ba? Double deck. Very small.
No, thank you.
For student. Double deck. Just like with space.
It's so very cloudy, ah? You think it will rain?
No.
What? No.
Sun is coming na.
Where?
Hello. Sun is coming. Sun is coming na. Sun is coming.
You take seats? These are seats, no?
Yes.
Bayat, 5 isa. Ano.
Good morning.
Te, nakuha siya seats. Tapat na, bayat, 5 isa.
Dapat diri ate o, lagyan mo pa o.
Ay, tinanggal ko kasi lagyan ng nawatas.
Ah,
Ano ko kung maaipan na.
Pero may nagatubo o.
oo, meron. Let's go. Oh, nakatanggal na siya, oh. Mahirap dito, eh. Dog. You will lose.
Wala man siya na nadaog ng ay, duha lang ang daog. Montilia.
Look here, oh.
Saan ang gali?
Look, if you will buy land here,
You will
oh, look at that one, refilling.
I smell.
What you smell?
Na.
Look over there.
Diri ko gakuha sang ano o. Kamyas, Dilak, Manila. Di sirado.
Look, oh, how much soil you need to refill all this.
Mm.
No, diba? And then, this wall must be very strong because it has a lot of leverage.
Uy, unsa na tabo?
Maganda ma'am.
Ay. Basta automatic.
Sudang automatic.
Hindi siya mag-under sa kuhan kickstart?
Sir, mao man na amo dati, amo ang gibaligya. Mag-andar. Kani diri ko nagakuha.
Ano?
Ari kamyas.
Kambyata.
Kamyas.
You can. Maybe later you will cook.
Wala ko.
Low bat lang siya siguro. Pero why kickstart also not starting? So not low bat.
Something wrong.
Something is wrong with that machine. Maybe no money for gas.
Yeah.
So it's not wrong with the machine, it's wrong with the tao.
Like na matalasanan do. Para live.
Everyone is refilling that. I think before that's fish pond. No, looks so deep, no? Because look, oh, here is canal going in.
Maybe.
Very nice place for fish pond actually. Dapat you clean that and you start selling tilapia.
Oh.
Morning, boss. Okay lang, puwi kapon.
Saan galing? Where you from?
Kuan, dire lang sa habitat.
Tagalog. Matagal ka na dito, no?
Oo. Diba dati na yung fish pond dito, no?
Oo.
Nakaisip ako, bakit?
Matagal ka na dito.
Ha?
Matagal ka na dumadaan dito. You're passing here.
The plane!
Hindi ko passing, flying lang. Flying. Sometimes pa, nagabaktas kami kasi si Mrs. gusto siya magbayad. Ako, surrender na ako.
Malaki ba rin katawan mo? Kahit surrender na.
Oo. Na, kuhan, support lang.
Ano yan?
Tanduay.
Ano pa? Hindi na yan.
Okay lang kasi night shift man ko. Sige.
Ito lang sige, sir.
They already cut down most of the trees, huh?
Yeah, I don't know what we were going to.
I think they will put vegetable. Oh,
Vlogger ka ba? Meron ka YouTube?
meron. Meron pa Facebook.
Anong channel mo?
Bro Estong.
Bro, Istong? Sige, subscribe kita.
Sige, salamat.
Ako ha?
Oo.
Kasi nagsasabi eh.
Oh, like and subscribe.
Bro, Istong! Bro, Istong!
Ay, patay na makina niya. Scrolling, e-bike. I was thinking don't have gas also. Pero wala siya makina kani.
Fitness is electric?
Oo, electric.
Eh, paano kung malubat ka in the way? On the way.
Then you will pray to God. God will provide.
God will provide the electricity?
Oh, God made the light come out. Why cannot put some kuryente inside your battery? No, this one is I think 40 kilometers. Or maybe 30. There is now cars that are 80 kilometers, small cars that you can buy very cheap. But how much you will pay for kuryente? In Philippines, that electric car is really not good idea because the electricity is so expensive.
Asa ang lower electricity?
Anywhere else? Yeah.
Pero sa amin, mahal man gyapon electric dito.
Well, for example, before in Estonia, they converted most of the apartment buildings
Solar?
that there is electric radiator, basically like electric heater. So when it's winter time, you will turn that on. You will set the temperature to let's say 20 degrees or 25 degrees, and then if the room temperature will go down, it will turn on. But it means that your windows have to be very good, because if the hot will go out, your heater is always working. And I had a friend who had apartment, 3 bedroom, then living room, kitchen, and their electricity bill was more than 1,000 euros because windows are not good. And then they changed the windows, it dropped to 600, so almost 40% down. Then they put for kitchen, because in kitchen that heater was very small, they tangle all the floor and then they put wire, so it's like floor heating. Back up again, back to 1,000. Yeah. But that electric heater was good because if you are going away from home for a long period of time, you will set it to like 15 degrees. So your room is, you know, if you will go back home, it's okay to go inside. It's not too cold. So it will keep the temperature.
What?
Waiting for you. Let's go now here, this side. Go in front. Nobody can see you but behind me.
I feel thirsty. No, no, no. No, 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 no.
I walk so much I don't even drink. Don't give up. Okay.
Don't give up.
Don't you want to give it up?
Ay. Daplin. Doon mo karsada ba? Sige ng daplin. Masay swim, man sa diretong oy sa pikas na no.
Baka nang ulin. Pila isa kasako? 300?
500.
500 na?
Ana si inahan tag 500 daw na.
Boss, walay libre? Walay libre?
Meron, ikaw.
Basta ko?
Oo.
Sige, isa ka lechon. Good morning to. Kapoy na ko. Kulang protein ba? Tapos na to.
Tapos ako.
Hindi, tapos na itong exercise. Do not correct me if you are wrong, okay?
Oh, daplin, daplin.
Oh, I am the one who is at the... You are the center.
Tabok na ni.
I smell batay again.
Patay lag.
Naligo ka?
Of course, every day.
Oh, wala na pares. Chicken lang.
Ara, uy, wala lang i-display.
Bro,
Ara lagi.
bro.
Ara, uy. Uhaw ka?
Oh, eh.
Oo.
Oh, eh. Oh, low bat.